Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm happy to be here today with you. For those of us who are new here, my name is Joseph. I am a Microsoft certified trainer. We have been on this project together to go back to the elementaries of Microsoft 365 products and services. So we have gone very far, and the last point we had was how to delete users. You know, one thing that was very funny when I was done with this deleted users project, I was back in the office, and a client's request that day was how to delete users in bulk. You know what happened? It is a school in the United Arab Emirates that they had students who perhaps had graduated or something and they had left the institution, so they want to bulk delete them from their system just to create space for other people. And immediately, I was just thinking that it's possible actually. If I could create users in bulk, then I should also be able to create, delete users in bulk. And I had to go make a research. You know, Microsoft has a very rich, learning documentations for you to actually lay your hands on to, help users, customers to resolve issues. So what I did, I just came to the web and say delete users in bulk. Um, yeah, it's even saying in Azure Active Directory. So I just did this and I saw this. I saw a document that is Microsoft.com. So I just opened it and then I saw a description on how to do that. To bulk delete users, it asks me to sign into Azure portal with an administrator account and then browse Active Directory, the users, bulk operations, bulk delete. So it showed me examples on how to do that. I'm going to put this document in the description below. And then came down to this and it showed me how to verify that the deleted users in Azure portal worked out and blah blah blah. It showed me all of this. So I had to use these steps to see how I could do that. So even the template of the CSV file too is here and it is clearly stated on how to do that. Now, why not we try to do that together on this video? Let's go. So I'll just come back to M365 admin portal. You can click on show all. If you want to from here go to Azure Active Directory, just scroll down this way. You see Azure Active Directory. So it said when we get to Azure Active Directory, what are we going to do? Let's check very quickly. So we'll get there. We should browse Active Directory. That's where we are. We should go to users, bulk operations. So let's come here. It's loading up. Okay, in a bit it's going to be here that we should go to users, all users. All right, it's loading users now. Pop, here we go. So it's saying bulk operation. Look at bulk operations here. So just click on this drop down. You're going to have bulk create like we did in M365, bulk invite like we invited one person earlier. So we can now bulk delete. So this was able to resolve the client issue. So I'll just click on bulk delete. Now, bulk delete is going to ask me to, you know what, to download CSV templates. It's optional, but I feel I should do it, right? Now, I click on download to bring this CSV file for me. I will not open that CSV file for now. I know what is there already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand this to see the email address of those users that I want to delete. Now look at it. Let me delete Let me first of all bring out my clipboard and purge it like we used to do. Clear all. Okay, so this that. Now we'll now do let's delete Deborah Smith. Let's delete Ibikun Olamide. Let's delete who again? Let's delete James Smith. Maybe these three persons, right? Or we should take another one. We're going to take let's say we take Peter John and add to. All right. Now we'll open this CSV file. Now what we have here in this CSV file is let's expand it. Double click here and it will expand here to that effect. Now, the only thing we need is to replace this example with only the the email address of the users you want to delete. Now, why not? Let's do this. V, we are going to remove Peter John. It's replacing that. The next one, V, we are going to remove James Smith. This, what again, we are going to remove this user, making 3, right? So what we can do, right, is to come to File, and then we can save as in any directory we want to save. Let's save it in downloads, okay? And it's deleted user by name. Let me just put deleted user 1 just in case there is a conflict, and then I will save, right? Okay, some features there, yeah, don't bother about this. So that is saved. So we are going to close this out and then close this out. Don't worry, let's even go straight to, I think that was already open somewhere. So let's just go to our browser immediately. Let's minimize this and we should see our browser. Okay. Now, what are we going to do? Just go back to bulk operation, bulk delete. This time around, it's asking you to edit your CSV file, upload the CSV file. So we're going to do this, and then we're going to bring up this deleted user 1, and then click on this open, and it's going to bring up the CSV file is here. User delete 1.csv is in. Are you sure you want to perform this operation? Yes or no? Type yes to continue. So we'll just type yes. Okay, and it's very important. This, in short, is mandatory. It's what's this star option, red star option again? It shows that it is required. That is the word. It's required. So we are going to hit on submit, and then this file is uploaded, and it's asking us to click here to view the status of each operation. So let's just click and see the status of the operation that we are carrying out. Okay, yeah, let's click on this, and then it will take us there. Or it's saying that this is success. It means that all of them were deleted successfully. Now, how do we verify that? Remember, we'll go back to this place. Let's refresh the admin center and let's check deleted users. We should have those users under deleted accounts. Now let's click on deleted users. All right, you've already seen Ibikun Olamide, you're already seen James Smith, you're already seen Kelvin Smart. So irrespective of the number of users you're going to enter into that sheet, it's going to delete them once. Okay, so that is a step to bulk delete users in Azure Active Directory. So if you have any question, you can also read this document though to understand more if there's anything that is causing you not to follow along with one of the steps. But if you have questions too, you can just quickly hit me up on LinkedIn, and I'll be very, very happy to give response to your questions as usual. So if you need any assistance regarding setting up your Microsoft 365 product and services, as I've always say, I am open to assisting you. I'm happy to work with you also as a freelancer. You can contact me and we can hop on the screen together and assist ourselves. Okay, so thank you for keep encouraging me on this project, and I hope that you have a great day and stay safe. This is my profile. I must have to show you that before I leave the screen. Okay, so this is me. We must learn if we must grow. Bye for today, and I hope to bring up another one for you again very soon. Yeah.